welcome for this new session under the Toucan Hood. Today we're going to talk about on-premise. So I was wondering, is it possible to install Toucan Toco on-premise on my computers? What do I need? What kind of servers? How does everything work?
Yes, so it's possible and it's very easy. It takes 2 minutes to install Toucan Toco, which is a very lightweight solution. It works very easily because we've taken our cloud packages, the one which we are deploying on our infrastructure, which are based on Docker, and we've packaged them with installation scripts and documentation so that your IT team can deploy them just like we do. And we do that every day, tens of them.
That's amazing. So in less than 2 minutes, I can have your solution on my computer.
Yes.
That's great. Thank you so much and see you for the next session.